Hello guys, welcome to Refer UX. Myself Nimesh. In this video, we are demonstrating part 3 of the 4 video series of implementing secure office network for a small office environment. Here, we are demonstrating implementing access control list in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. So let's start. Implement access control lists in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. To do that, we'll go to the router and we will create access control list there. Enable conf. Then I'll creating access control list, access list. Then I'm planning to create a extended access list because I will be strictly restricting access the file server IP only. Where I'll use the second series. There for each branch you can use. I'll use 4 areas: 110, 120, 130, and 140. So this is 110. Then I will deny the IP access, any IP access from any IP to the particular host 10.0.10.3. And remember, after every access list, we need to provide permit other things. Otherwise, explicit deny would occur. Permit IP from any to any. Okay, we have successfully created access control first access control list. Show access list. You can see we have created one access list for 110. This is for the file server of a department, administration department, that is 10, the .10 series here. The .20 series for the finance, we'll create another. For the management .30, we'll create another. And finally, for the operations .40, we'll create another. So that's those are the 4 access lists. So again, I'll be creating second access list. Access list 120 for denying the IP from any to the host 20.3. All right. Again, we need to permit access list 120 permit IP of any to n. Any to n. We are creating a second, third access list as well. Access list 130 to deny IP from any to host 30.3, and again access list 130 to permit IP from any to n. Cool. Final access list we are going to create is 140 to deny IP from any to host. And again access list 140 permit IP from any to n. And if we go to show access list, you can see we have 4 access lists: 110, 120, 110, 120, 130, and 140, and respective file server IPs are here. Now we will assign to these two particular sub interfaces in order to make this working. To that, I'll go to configuration is interface fast ethernet 0/0.5. Then IP access group, the IP 110 The first one, and it should be outbound. Somebody comes from outside the network and going out on this particular interface. Out, and that is done. Cool. Again, we'll go to the next sub interface pass Ethernet 0/0.2 and IP access group 120 to the output. Great. Exit again. Interface pass Ethernet 0/0.3 IP access group 130 and for the outer direction. And the final one, interface fast Ethernet 0/0.24 and IP access group 140 for the outward direction. Very good. Now if we see show running configuration, you can see that we each and every interface we have a specific access control list configured in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. Now let's check whether it's working. I'll write this. Now I will first connect to my thing to admin department file server by admin department machine. It is working. Now let's see from admin department machine whether I can connect to finance department machine. No, it says unreachable, destination unreachable. Very good. Now let's see whether I can reach to the management department file server. No, it is also not working. Now let's see random. Okay, I'll get operation department page here, and I'll connect to operation department file server. Oops, file server. It's working. Now let's see from operation department file server to finance department file server. It's not working, which means that our intention has been achieved. And finally, let's see again show access list, and you can see that all matches have been crossed because we can see 8 matches from the second 120 because we try to access from admin department to finance department. So finance department in the particular access controllers rolled here, and also we try to access the admin department to management department, that is also ruled by management department access control list. Again we tried finally, if you remember, operation department to finance department, that is also avoided by finance department access control list. So this is the proof of that PICL are really working. And in the next video we'll see how to implement or assure secure connectivity among the branches using IPSEC. In this video, we demonstrated implementing access control lists in order to avoid other departments accessing each other file servers. Actually, by this time, we have implemented completely one department's security with access control lists, VLANs, inter-VLAN communication, and mainly FTP access and LAN communication. You can replicate same scenario in other 2 branches as well. Hence, in the next video, the final video of the 4 video series of implementing secure office network for a small office environment, I'll be explaining how to implement secure communication among the branches using IPsec. I hope you have learned something out of this video. Please do like, share and comment. To know about the final video quickly, please do subscribe to us. Till we meet again, have a great